Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest. Delete your account. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest, delete your account. You should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list, you will enter to this window of Pinterest. Then we're going to click for stop. Here we're going to click storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store, you will search about Pinterest. When you find it you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.